everyone. The purpose of today's video is to provide clarity and guidance through the student checklist. The student checklist is a comprehensive document created by each content area and grade level. For example, this checklist was created by third grade math teachers in the district. Also, each content has a culminating performance assessment. The student checklist is designed to guide students through the completion of the performance assessment while also covering topics that will deepen their understanding of performance assessment concepts. The student checklist is posted weekly on a Monday to your child's learning management system, which is either Google Classroom or Schoology. If you are unsure of your child's learning management system, please feel free to reach out to your child's teacher. At the top of the student checklist, you will find your child's school, the content area or course name, as well as the teacher's name and their email address for contact. Teachers are available on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. We are unavailable on Wednesdays because that is the day that we collaboratively plan across the district. So for example, as a third grade math teacher, I plan with other third grade math teachers across the district every Wednesday. Students are still required to meet instructional software expectations. Students should engage in iStation reading for 30 minutes per week, iStation math for 30 minutes per week, and to master 2 to 6 skills on IXL. If you're unsure on how to access the online learning platforms, please reach out to your child's teacher, or you may access video tutorials on the DeSoto ISD Anytime, Anywhere learning page. Each week, your child will have 1 to 3 tasks per subject area. As a third grade math team, we collectively decided to only give students 1 learning task per week. The lesson objective identifies what students should be able to do at the end of the lesson. For this lesson, students should be able to identify the costs and benefits of planned and unplanned spending decisions. What to watch. Each week, students will have an instructional video. The instructional video was created by a teacher in the district. For example, the instructional video for third grade math students was created by a third grade math teacher in DeSoto Independent School District. The purpose of the instructional video is to guide students through various components of the student checklist. Additionally, students have a visual learning video from Pearson. 16.2 refers to topic 16 and lesson 2. The video will ask questions and pause to give students an opportunity to respond to the question. Work to practice. Students will have guided practice and independent practice. For the guided practice and independent practice, you may print it out and have students complete the work. But if you do not have a printer, please do not panic. Students may complete the assignment on a loose leaf sheet of paper. Please reach out to your child's teacher to determine their mode of submission. Work to turn in. Each week, students will have 1 discussion question at least to answer. The purpose of the discussion question is to foster collaborative communication and conversation among students and their peers, as if we were still inside of the classroom. This gives students an opportunity to talk with their peers and to co-construct knowledge. Additionally, students will have another video to watch. This video goes through the same concepts that were in the instructional video as well as the visual learning, but it is a brief recap of the lesson. After students watch the Another Look video, they are to complete a quick check. The quick check is normally 5 questions, and we use it as a data collection point. Additionally, we want students to know that they can complete any unfinished work from prior weeks. So, as a brief recap, the student checklist is a comprehensive guide created collaboratively by teachers of a certain grade level and content area. This checklist was created by third grade math teachers across the district. In addition to the student checklist, students are still required to meet instructional software expectations of iStation and iExcel. If you are unsure of how to log in to the online backpack, please reach out to your child's teacher, or you may access video tutorials on DeSoto ISD's Anytime, Anywhere Learning page. Each week, students will have 1 to 3 learning tasks. The lesson objective will tell students what they should be able to do by the end of the lesson. Students will have various videos that they may watch to deepen their understanding of concepts, guided practice and independent practice that will give them additional problems to work on. Students will have discussion questions to foster collaborative conversation amongst their peers. And students will have a quick check that we use as a data collection point. Please remember that students may finish any unfinished work from prior weeks. Although this document, the student checklist, is posted weekly, we do understand that there are unique family situations across our district. So please feel free to reach out to your child's teacher if you have any additional questions. Thank you and have a great day.